Today we have a lot of animals. Let's learn their names one by one. The first one is a triceratops. This is a triceratops. A starfish. This is a starfish. A clownfish. This is a clownfish. A shark. This is a shark. A cow. This is a cow. A crown dinosaur. The next one is a T-Rex. This is a T-Rex. The next one is alligator. This is alligator. A starfish. This is